This is why the North is gradually embracing the candidature of Obi.
The Igbo man has the answer. Peter Obi, I am going to support him because we've tried our northern brothers. What did we get? Death, poverty. Come and see how our people are poor in the north. So let's allow these Igbo. And they are very adventurous people. Igbos are in Kano. They are in Sokoto. They are all over the place. They're the ones that are very creative, very innovative. They are risk takers. They're able to go and do business anywhere. That's why we need somebody like Peter Obi, where Nigeria is now.
Remember that Nigeria, during the oil boom, used to be the great oil producer of the world, the greatest in Africa. But today, it's no longer so. Regardless of the benefit that other oil producing countries are getting from oil, especially immediately Russia invaded Ukraine, Nigeria is still at loss, not accounting for what is being produced. It's only Peter Obi that has identified that the only way out of this quagmire is to shift Nigeria from consumption economy to production economy. And the only answer to that question lies in the North, which all the northern leaders, past and present, have ignored. Obi has said that the land in the North is a gold mine waiting to be harvested. 2, Obi is actually the unifier that the youth have seen their future in. The old see their past, because since after the Civil War, there has not been any candidate that has presented himself as a unifier that will quench the agitation in the South, stop the terror ravaging the North, and prove to them more than ever, because I know he will perform more in the North like Goodluck Jonathan, the past Nigerian president, did, than the way he will be anxious to please the North. He wants to gain their trust. And for him to do that, he will massively develop the land, provide employment, and create an enabling environment both for the Muslims and for the Christians to coexist together once again. And once his candidature is approved, as is being done in the North today, the wound of the Civil War will be healed. Trust will be regained in all the Nigerian many ethnicities. This is why the North is rejecting what Mahid or Mahdi or whatever he answers has said. He in his video said that the Northern Christians should reject Obi for being a tribal candidate. And they have come up to reject that saying and have enumerated why they will not do that. The Northern Muslims also have risen to reject this man as somebody inciting religious war in Nigeria. But the Northern elders have also said the qualities of the leader that they want to embrace in 2023 general election. Number 1, somebody that will not pursue a personal interest like some of the northern candidates in the past or presidents have done. Somebody who will take more than 2 million out of school children that exist in the North today back to school. That is what Obi did in Anambra State. In Anambra State, Obi, when he came on board, they were about lower in the ladder in educational ranking. He brought them to number 1 in the federation. This is what Obi will do in the North. He will bridge the gap of the educational backwardness between the North and the South. This is why the northern candidates are now, or the northern people, elders, Christians and Muslims, are embracing him, that more than before, Nigeria should not miss this opportunity to heal the wound of the past, regain trust, take terrorism out of the streets by taking those vulnerable children back to school. And the candidate to do that is Obi. This is why you are seeing march. the 1 million march that was scheduled to be in Abuja, and they ended up being more than 10 million. In Calabar, in Plateau, in many parts of the country, they are waking up to the reality that the future of Nigeria will only be rejuvenated in the candidature of Obi. This is Open Whispers. Subscribe, hit the like button, and please share the video. See something, say something, do something. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Thank you.